All right, so you've completed all of the light stuff, and now we're going to move on to the sound objects. And what we know about sound is that it moves, it can be reflected and absorbed, it can be altered, and it's also caused by vibrations. So look around your house or around the school and see if you can find some items that kind of look like what we have here on the table, so you can bring it in to show the kids different ways that sound traits are around us. So one of the first things you can look at is how does sound move. So take for example, I've got 2 metal spoons here. If I were to whack them, you can hear the sound on that. Now we're going to show how it can be kind of reflected and absorbed and how it moves into this bowl of water right here. And when I smack the 2 spoons in the water, you'll hear a different sound. And you can hear the sound as it's moving throughout the metal bowl. But you can also see the water as the water moves. It's the sound waves that are going through it after the impact of it. So that's one way you can show how sound moves, how it can be reflected, how it can be absorbed. Another way you can show how it can be reflected and absorbed is by getting a cooking tray like this. Tap the inside of the cooking tray, you can hear the sound. Speak into the cooking tray and you can hear the sound as it's reflecting off and bouncing back out. Take a cloth, put it inside the cooking tray. Now, tap it, much different sound. Speak into it, a much different sound. As you can see, it's being altered, it's being absorbed. And another way it can happen is by causing it to hit something and causing the energy to come out, and that's the vibrations. And so you can use it by a xylophone, you can use a drum if you have an example of that in your school, you could use a tambourine. So just for example, this is what happens when you hit it. That's just the sound being vibrated out.